Hi, I'm Joseph Kateri, and today we are making the world's best VR game even more exciting. Let's go. So if you're watching this video, you're trying to make your Half-life Alyx experience a little bit more different or just more fun than it already is. Ironically, I haven't actually even finished the game. I have played some of it, however, I'm replaying Half-Life 1 and 2 in order to remember the story. Which, by the way, you can actually play those in VR, and I have a tutorial linked in the corner. This corner? Right there, I think. Anyways, I will show you exactly how to get custom mods in Half-Life Alyx on Steam in just a moment. But first, let's take a look at this. You know what time it is. 95% of you are not subscribed. And you may be thinking, wow, it went down. Actually, yeah, it did. I'm actually pretty proud of that. It was previously 98%, and then it went down to 97%, and now we're at 95%. So let's try to get it to 94. I don't know, maybe it's possible, we'll see. Subscribe so I can feed my cat. By the way, these videos aren't even monetized. Alright, so I normally do a long-winded intro at this point, but since this tutorial is so straightforward and simple, let's just skip it for now. Let's get right into the requirements. All you will need for this tutorial is a legitimate copy of Half-Life Alyx on Steam, and whatever VR headset you're using. I personally am using the Oculus Quest 2 with virtual desktop. Alright, so first of all, you can actually do you don't even need a computer, in all honesty. Other than launching the game, you could just go into Half-Life Alyx and go to the add-ons tab and like search from there. However, we will be using a computer just because it's a bit easier in my opinion. So yeah, that's why we're using it. Alright, so go to Steam. Alright, here it is for me, Half-Life Alyx. And as you can see, it says 6 minutes played. That's actually not true. I used to be game sharing it with someone. I actually bought it recently because it went on sale, which is nice. Anyways, go to Workshop, and from here, you can actually see pretty much everything. So I usually only go with the most populars or the most subscribed. Most subscribed is probably your safer bet, honestly. There's a bunch of different ones you can choose from, like this one's just a regular sandbox. You can do whatever you want in it. I have heard very good things about pretty much all of these. However, the one I'm specifically going to be looking at is Jedi Alyx, which is lightsaber training. What this basically does is instead of a gun, you get a lightsaber that you can throw and, recall into your hand, using the Force. So you're just gonna go ahead, as soon as you find one you like, you can just click this subscribe button. I already subscribed to it, but normally you would just click this green button and then the map would automatically start downloading. Now you can do this to as many mods or maps as you want. Just, you could have like a dozen, it's fine. While you're waiting for your mods and maps to download, you can actually go into the description, here's the plug, and you can do stuff like follow my Instagram. It desperately needs followers. Because we all know that the only way I get dopamine into my brain is by seeing my likes go up. That's not a joke. I also have a Discord where I interact with my community, and I also give out notifications on when I upload. And I have a TikTok where I make really stupid memes and just kind of yell. Anyways, after the download, let's go into VR. Okay, so as you can see, we're just here in the menus. We're gonna click start new game, but first in add-ons, you can actually see right here, Jedi Alyx lightsaber training. You can see, I was not lying to you, it works. And you're just gonna click it. You see? Click it, there you go. And start new game, and then you're gonna go to start game with add-ons. So you're gonna go ahead and click that. Click accept, and this will start an entire new game. And here we are inside of it. Now I'm just gonna click the menu button. And on my save file, you can actually see in the bottom, it actually says Jedi Alyx lightsaber training. So you know it's applied. So yeah, there you go. And whenever I get a lightsaber, I can, do cool shit with it. So by now you should have custom mods and maps installed on Half-Life Alyx. Anyway, this channel is all about making entertaining and educational VR content, so hit the bell or join my Discord to receive updates on when I upload. You can find links to my TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and even the music playing down below in the description. Have a nice day.